Hey, second grade. All right, it's time for drill sounds. So I'm gonna say them and then you're going to repeat after me. Ready? Let's start with some digraphs. SH ship sh. Good. CH chin ch. CK sock k. Remember, that one always goes at the end of a word. WH whistle w. All right, now let's move on to our vowels. A apple a. E ed e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up All right, and we're also going to do our buddy letter letters. QU. QU queen qu. Perfect. Good job.